Are you looking? With the growing emphasis on wellness and natural pain relief, acupressure mats have surged in popularity as a non-invasive solution for stress, tension, and chronic aches. From office workers to athletes, more people are discovering the benefits of daily acupressure sessions. In this guide, we evaluate the best acupressure mats based on materials, comfort, design quality, durability, and value. Whether you're a first-time buyer or upgrading, these top picks offer something for everyone. List number: Unmera Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. Natural premium linen and coconut fiber filling. The Unmera Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set is a thoughtfully designed wellness tool crafted with premium natural materials. Its cover is made from breathable linen, and the interior is filled with eco-friendly coconut fiber, making it both supportive and sustainable. With over 6,000 ergonomically arranged acupressure points, it offers effective relief for back, neck, and shoulder tension. The included pillow enhances the experience, targeting pressure points in the neck and head. Users report improved sleep, better circulation, and reduced muscle tightness after just 15 to 20 minutes of daily use. Unlike many budget alternatives, the Unmera mat balances firmness with comfort, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. It's also lightweight and rolls up for easy storage or travel. If you're looking for a high-quality set that delivers real therapeutic value without compromising on materials, Unmera is a strong contender. List number: Shakti Mat Premium Acupressure Mat, Level 1 Intensity in Shakti Black. The Shakti Mat Premium Acupressure Mat is widely recognized for its premium craftsmanship and effectiveness. Made with organic cotton and hand-assembled in India, this mat is a favorite among wellness enthusiasts seeking quality and ethical production. The Level 1 Intensity is designed for beginners or those with a lower pain threshold, providing a gentle yet effective acupressure experience. With 6,000 precision-engineered spikes, the mat stimulates blood flow and soothes muscle tension across the back and shoulders. What sets Shakti Mat apart is its dedication to fair trade and sustainability, making it an excellent choice for conscious consumers. The sleek Shakti Black color adds a touch of elegance, while the mat's build quality ensures it will hold up over time. Though priced higher than average, the performance and durability justify the investment for those committed to long-term wellness. List 3. Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. Natural, eco-friendly linen and coconut fiber. This acupressure mat and pillow set strikes a solid balance between sustainability and performance. Made from eco-friendly linen and filled with breathable coconut fiber, the set is designed for comfort and environmental responsibility. The pillow complements the mat perfectly, helping to relieve tension not just in the back, but also in the neck and head. With thousands of acupressure points arranged for maximum coverage, the mat stimulates circulation and helps reduce pain from prolonged sitting or physical exertion. While the spikes are sharp enough to activate pressure points effectively, the natural padding beneath offers a forgiving surface that won't feel overwhelming. Users frequently comment on the quality of the stitching and materials, which hold up well even with daily use. If you're looking for a mid-range mat that doesn't skimp on eco-conscious construction, this option is well worth considering. List number: Premium Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. Ergonomic design, natural linen and coconut fiber. Designed with user comfort and ergonomic support in mind, this premium acupressure mat and pillow set offers more than just aesthetics. It features a durable linen cover paired with firm coconut fiber filling for optimal structure and breathability. The ergonomic shape of the pillow is a standout feature, cradling the neck and promoting alignment during use. The mat itself includes over 6,200 acupressure points designed to stimulate endorphin release and encourage muscle recovery. This set is particularly well suited for people dealing with chronic stress or posture-related discomfort. The natural materials feel gentle on the skin, and the set's build quality is evident in its reinforced stitching and lasting firmness. Its sleek, minimalist design complements modern wellness spaces, and its effectiveness makes it a solid investment for daily therapeutic use. List number: ProSource Fit Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set for back neck pain relief and muscle relaxation. A favorite among value-conscious consumers, the ProSource Fit Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set offers impressive therapeutic benefits without the premium price tag. Featuring a soft foam interior covered in 100% cotton, it contains over 6,000 acupressure points to target key pain and tension areas. While it doesn't use natural coconut fiber like some of the higher-end models, it remains highly effective for promoting relaxation and circulation. The included pillow supports neck and upper spine pressure relief, enhancing the overall experience. This mat is especially useful for beginners, thanks to its moderate spike sharpness and comfortable feel. It's also lightweight and easy to pack, making it ideal for home or travel use. If you're new to acupressure and want a reliable, budget-friendly mat that delivers results, the ProSource Fit is an excellent starting point.